सर पंचम इलेक्शन पंचम इलेक्शन
कितें जालें पंचम इलेक्शन
बाबूश बसपाच्या तुम्ही रिजायन बी जाला ते पार्टीचे
बाबूश म्हाका 2 दीस पयलीं मेळ्ळा काल न्ही पयर मेळ्ळा तो ताजे उमेद दाखयता म्हाका दिसता टायम आहा अजून मेरेन ताणें खंयचें तशें एक कठोर फुडें पावल मारूंक मारता तेन्ना पळोवया.
But he has already said that he is contesting as independent. And then I म्हटलं I am there, I will definitely contest. So आता हेजेर तुमचे कितें म्हणणें?
See, there is any step has to be well thought of. I feel he has also to think of it. I am of the opinion that as a party, because he continues to be in the party, as a party we have no moral right to contest anything. One, because we had a clear understanding with Mr. Manar Parrikar. He also had it, he was part of it. Now it is a fact that Mr. Parrikar is no more. Now, Mr. Parrikar's legacy is to be taken forward by whom? By his family and his party, or by us? You know, who is the rightful heir to his legacy? Is it not his family and his party? Or is it us who are his late friends? You know, at a very late stage of his life, we became his friends. I think that विचार
No, like you said,
पार्टी सरतलो न्ही सरपा जाय म्हाका दिसता ताणें विचार करपाक जाय विचार इतल्या खातीर करपाक जाय कित्याक डॉलर बडी पडली म्हणून उडीच करूंक जायना मातसो ताजेर विचार जावंक जाय आनी तोय बी तसो पळय तो रिस्क घेवपी पूण रिस्क कोणा खातीर घेवप कित्या खातीर घेवप आनी कितें करूंक घेवप
समज
हाजेर ताणें सगळें विचार परते अजून मेरेन तें कांय तितल्याचेर पावूंक ना पावता
he
तेन्ना
has already said that he is
he
contesting.
may say it, but I'm also saying what I said.
So
I have also met him up there.
One more thing, like how you had supported Joshua. Do you support Utpal here in Tanzania for legacy category character?
That is what I'm saying. It is a moot question. First is whether Utpal is interested. If he is interested, certainly he becomes the rightful heir to his legacy. But that is also a decision to be taken by his party. It is not a decision to be taken by us.
पण तुमचा ओपिनियन कितें आसता
माझं ओपिनियन उत्पल जर हे रावता जाल्यार ही इज हॅव्हिंग मोर रायट टू हीज लेगसी.